I'd like to talk to you this morning about the Mectron MCH481B. It's a very unique machine. It's a 3-axis horizontal with actually 2 additional DD drives that are going to allow for 6-side machining. So let's start over here with this. So the machine is basically a 3-inch bar capacity. So it's a bar feeding machine, and the bar feeder goes right here, and the outfeed conveyor for the finished parts will come up over there. Now we include with the machine the bar feeder and the outfeed conveyor. It's not here at the moment, but it sits right here, and it feeds directly into that DD drive. So I'll explain a little bit about how that works. So again, 3-inch bar capacity. Here's a kind of a sample shorter bar, but they're 3 feet of bar. So what you do is you cut the parts, you cut your bar into 3 feet lengths, and again, as I mentioned, up to 3-inch bar capacity. Now you see that one drive there? So essentially what we're doing is that drive will swing all the way around in line with this, and the bar feeder feeds in here, and the bars are kind of put directly into that first DD drive. Now that drive will encapsulate the entire 3 feet of bar. So you basically cut your bars in 3 feet lengths, and the bar feeder will hold about 6 to 8 bars, and it basically feeds it, and then it drives it directly into that DD drive, which, as I mentioned, you'll see in a moment, will swing over here and actually be able to feed the bar directly in, and that will swing 3 feet of bar. So let's walk around to the front now. So you can see here it's a 3-axis horizontal, and it's got 2 DD drives in there. So those are direct drives. They are full 360,000 index position. They'll also turn at 3,000 RPM, which actually allows for turning. So not only can you do 6-side machining with this machine, but you can also do turning. And the way we do that is that we actually put a turning tool in the spindle, and then we lock the spindle down so that we can be doing turning. So you see now how the DD drive came over there. That's the position that the bar is loaded into that drive, and you can see where it'll swing all the way over. Now, and it swings at any particular position along. It went to 90 there, but it'll actually go anywhere along the way, so you can do odd holes or angle holes and so on. Let me show you a part here real quick that we did for a customer. So you can see here's look at all the multiple sides and different angle holes that we did on this particular part. This is actually a customer's part that bought the machine. Again, 6-side machining complete with this machine. Now, again, so the first side machining would be done on that first drive. And then what happens is that all of the first side machining is done. What we do then is that there's a cutoff saw that is in the tool changer. Up to 40 tools, by the way, is capable on the machine. Now, you actually can cut half of it, index, cut the other half, and then this second drive will actually come over and grab the part off of the first drive, pull it back, and now you can do all of this backside machining on the part. And again, this drive actually is 2-axis, where it moves in this direction and moves in that direction as well, allowing you to do 6 sides of the part. Again, with 3,000 RPM turning is part of the machine. Includes a tool presetter. You can see the tool presetter there. The finished parts, you can see that over there. You can see that pick and place unit there. Well, it'll take the part right off of the second drive, and it'll take it, and the finished parts will come out on this machining center, or this outfeed conveyor right here. Again, this is the MCH481, all made in Japan.